My both Rajat Goel. This is from University Ambala, and I am myself presenting Dr. Rupesh K Gautam. I am professor at Amity Institute of Pharmacy, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, Noida, India. This is the current topic, that is obesity and microbiome, which is a hidden key to the weight management. Various society in the world suffering from the obesity, and obesity is the main cause of various diabetes and other. What with the content are the abstract introduction, the gut microbe metabolism, key bacteria strains and the role, diet and the microbiome based interventions for obesity challenges and future directions, uh, and conclusion and references. And this is a summary or abstract of my study, that human gut microbe play a pivotal role in metabolism, energy regulation, and overall health. This microbiome is the have important role in metabolism, energy regulation, or health of our body. And energy research suggested that microbial composition may influence obesity by affecting nutrient absorption, fat storage, inflammation, appetite regulation in our body. And in appetite and this obesity is influencing each other. And this presentation explored the intricate relationship between the gut microbiota and obesity, highlighting and key bacterial species linked to weight gain and the metabolic dysfunction. Bacterial species are various helpful in for our health. And it also examines the impact of diet, probiotics, prebiotics, and fecal microbiota transplantation, FMT, and potential strategy for modulating the microbiome to support weight management. Additionally, the role of personalized microbiome-based interventions and uh, their future applications in obesity treatment will be discussed. And by understanding the microbiome role in obesity, we can unlock a new and targeted approach to managing weight and metabolic health. So microbiome is very helpful for in our health, our weight management, obesity, metabolic health. So we will understand about the microbiome. We have several publications on microbiome, some book chapters also, and this is the core research area. Microbiome is the core research area in these days. And this is the introduction part of my study, that obesity, we all know that obesity is a complex, multifactorial conditions influenced by the genetics, environment, diet, and lifestyle. It comes by the genetics in our from our generation, our fathers and grandfathers, or it can develop by the environment or diet. Diet is the main factor for obesity. We are right now we are taking the our diet is so much disturbed. We are taking that burger and all the pizza. These are the very affect our body and produce obesity, and lifestyle is also very disturbing these days. So this disturb our lifestyle, and our various diseases occurs due to this bad lifestyles. The gut microbiota influence nutrient absorption, fat absorption, and energy balance, and even affect hormones related to appetite and satiety. Gut microbiome we present in our gut influences very nutritional absorption, which we will absorb from various nutrition, and it produce fat storage, energy balance, and also affect various hormones, endocrine system, which is responsible for various activity in our body, physiology of our body, and also related to appetite. And what is the dysbiosis? It is an imbalance in gut microbial composition, known as the dysbiosis, has been associated with obesity and insulin resistance. Insulin, we all know that, and various presentation, diabetes and chronic inflammation. So this virus is simple. We can understand it. It associate with obesity, insulin resistance, and it is the imbalance in gut microbial composition which is present in our gut, various microbes. This is the dysbiosis. And understanding how microbial diversity and function contribute to weight regulation could lead to innovative microbiome targeted therapies for obesity management. So microbial diversity and function of this microbial are very helpful for our weight management,
Sorry,
weight
doctor.
reduction, and
Rupesh, to interrupt you.
yeah,
Your
yeah,
slides are not moving. It's in the introduction page only.
yeah. Introduction. I'm going on introduction only.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, any other? Now we are understanding microbial diversity and functional contribute to our weight regulation, weight management. It lead to innovative microbial target therapy. In innovation, scientists can target various microbiome target therapy for the obesity management. So this is the new era for the innovation or research in uh, obesity study research. And then now second side is gut microbiome metabolism. It is okay. Is it okay? Yeah. Gut microbiome and metabolism. Virus and fungi. We will go the microbiome. That there are various trillions of mycobacteria, virus, and fungi that play a crucial role in digesting food and regulating energy balance. This is the nature which will provide us various microbiome in our gut. It include various bacteria, virus, fungi, and they have a crucial role in digesting our food, regulating energy balance, which is very helpful for management or weight, obesity, and gut micro. These are provided all by our nature. And gut microbes help break down complex carbohydrate into short chain fatty acids such as acetate, propionate, and butyrate. These are the important energy sources for the body. And SCFS influences appetite control. They control our appetite, glucose metabolism, and fat storage by interacting with metabolic and hormonal pathway. So these are the correlating with each other. Gut microbiome like bacteria, virus, fungi related with our food, our metabolism, our glucose, appetite, and our all our health, obesity, and diabetes. So gut microbiome have very important role in our health. Certain microbes enhance energy extraction from food, potentially contributing to weight gain when present in excess. An imbalance in the microbiota that is known as dispersed earlier slide, we have mentioned it, and can disrupt metabolic signaling, leading to insulin resistance, inflammation, and obesity. So this imbalance between in the microbiota, like fungi, bacteria, viruses, imbalance between microbiota. Uh, it disturb metabolic signaling, disturb metabolism also, insulin resistance, inflammation, and obesity. It creates various health issues. And maintaining a healthy and diverse gut microbiome supports efficient metabolism and overall metabolic health. So this gut microbiome, diverse gut microbiome is required and which support efficient metabolism, overall metabolic or health, obesity, uh, diabetes, and all our health issues are based on that microbiome support, and microbiome is very required in a proper balance is required of the various microbiome. Microbiome is simple, various gut microbiome which present like fungi, virus, and nature is providing us. And this is we can see this figure that gut microbiome metabolism that you can see that's the gut. Science student or biology student study the digestive system, that cell and organs and digestive system, that small intestine, large intestine, and then this is the you can see here the various microbiome and fat storage, energy balance, and hormones, nutrient absorption is all related with the gut microbiome and metabolism. And key bacteria strains and their role. These are the key bacterial strains, and we can see here is the role. The gut microbiome is dominated by two major bacterial phyla, that Firmicutes and Bacteroidetes. Their balance significantly affect energy harvest and fat storage. Firmicutes is often found in higher proportion in obese individuals have this in higher proportion and efficient at extracting energy from food, potentially contributing to weight gain. And it uh, potentially have a major role in weight gain of our individual. So this parameters, and second is lean individuals and associated with improved metabolic efficiency and lower fat accumulation. So these are the two important gut microbiome. These are the two major bacterial phyla. These are the Firmicutes and Bacteroidetes. These are the important key bacterial strains, and they improve the metabolic efficiency, lower fat accumulation, and obesity and weight gain is the related to this. Now, lactobacillus species, some strains support gut integrity and lipid metabolism. All we know that lipid metabolism, obesity, and weight gain is the similar related to each other. And while other may promote energy absorption, and bifidobacterium species enhance intestinal health and reduce endotoxin level, contributing to improve metabolic balance. And other one is the Akkermansia mucinipalia, strengthen the gut barrier, reduces inflammation, and it is linked to wellness and better glucose control. So these are all related. Overall, diversity and balance of these microbes are more critical than the abundance of any single species. The various gut microbes are available. Various species are available. Balance is required for our health. If imbalance is there, or there's some low significant will be there, then the diversity will be disturbed. And if there are imbalance is there, then we will get any weight gain or any obesity or any other health issues. This is the nature we provide gut microbiome. Bacterial strains and their role in obesity. This is a table. We can show the various bacterial strains and their role in obesity, right? Parameters that function is the energy extraction from complex carbohydrates. We are taking the carbohydrates in our food, nutrients. Association with obesity, higher abundance linked to weight gain. Bacteriogenesis, breakdown of plant fibers and production of SCFAs, lower abundance linked to obesity. Lactobacillus species modulate lipid metabolism and gut barrier. Some species linked to weight reduction, and Bifidobacterium species reduce gut inflammation and endotoxin, supports healthy metabolism and weight balance. This is a summary of various bacterial strains and their role in obesity. We all know that the imbalance between various microbiome or bacterial strains produce obesity, weight gain. Or last is the Akkermania municipalia, maintain gut lining integrity and improve glucose metabolism, and it associated with illness and metabolic health. This is a summary of various bacterial strains and their role in obesity. We all know that obesity is related to carbohydrate or lipid and various things. And diet and the microbiome. Diet is the primary factor shaping the composition and diversity of the gut microbiome. High fiber plant-based diets. We all know that in obesity patient or diabetes patient, doctor suggested us to take high fiber diet, and high fiber plant-based diet promote beneficial bacteria that produce short chain fatty acids which improve metabolism and reduce inflammation. The doctor suggested these things also in obesity or diabetes. Western diet rich in fat, sugars, and processed food can cause these biases, increasing the risk of obesity and metabolic diseases. This one, it produce the risk of obesity higher risk of obesity and metabolic disease is there, and which is very harmful for our body or our health. Protein sources influences microbial compositions. We have to influence microbial composition. Plant proteins tend to foster beneficial bacteria, while excess animal proteins may promote harmful metabolites. Polyphenol-rich foods, fruit, tea, cocoa support the growth of beneficial microbiomes such as uh, Akkermansia, in obesity or diabetes. We have to take some traditional things. When we will go for the treatment or some allopathic treatment is there, then short there uh, adverse effect is also there. So we have to try to maintain our some high fiber diets or some protein sources or polyphenol fruit or support which supports the growth of beneficial microbiome. And the balanced and diverse diet help to maintain microbial diversity, supporting healthy metabolism and weight regulation. If we will maintain our natural microbial diversity, it help support our health metabolism or our health. We can maintain like diabetes or sugar or hypertension is the uh, most disease or disorders in this right now this in era. So we have to maintain our microbial diversity and maintain for wealth regulations. Then microbiome based intervention for obesity. Modulating the gut microbiome offers new strategies for managing obesity and metabolic disorder. Researchers can targeted this gut microbiome study to study or research on obesity or diabetes or hypertension. The probiotics, these are the live beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus curd. We are taking curd on daily basis. Lactobacillus is there in this. Bifidobacterium akkermansia that can improve gut bacterial function and gut barrier function, reduce inflammation, enhance metabolic health. And what is the prebiotics? Non-digestible fiber like insulin that stimulate the growth of beneficial microbiome, increase short chain fatty acid production, and symbiotics. These are the combination of probiotics and prebiotics designed to maximize gut health benefits. So by improving or maximize our gut health benefits or microbiome, we can make our health good. And these are probiotics, prebiotics, and symbiotics are there. We can understand this term and implement in our daily life. And then fecal microbiota transplantation, transfer of gut microbiota from healthy donors to individual with dysbiosis to restore microbiome balance and improve insulin sensitivity. Also, we can improve our insulin sensitivity by transferring of gut microbiota from healthy donor to individual with dysbiosis, imbalance of microbiota. And dietary modulation, long-term dietary pattern, reach in fiber to sustaining microbiome health. These are the dietary pattern or long-term dietary therapy or which reach in fibers, polyphenols, and fermented foods. They are also help to maintain this microbiome. Emerging approaches that are personalized microbiome analysis to design targeted nutritional or probiotic therapies for individual metabolic profiles. So these are the emerging approaches are there. We all know that we have to maintain our health, our diet. We have to take fibers. We are taking the advice from doctors. But we are following that, then we can maintain our health, obesity, sugar, diabetes, or hypertension. This is the table show various microbiome-based interventions, mechanism of action, potential benefits. Earlier slide we have studied these probiotics. It is the introduced beneficial microbiomes to restore gut balance, improve digestion, metabolism, and fat regulation. Second one is the promote growth, enhance SCFA production and insulin sensitivity. My voice is clear? My slide is moving. Hello?
So you have to go for the next slide. Yeah, now it has come.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. Now this is not moving. Yeah. Now, challenges and future directions. Challenges, complexity of the microbiome. The gut microbiota is highly diverse and dynamic, making it difficult to identify which microbes directly influence obesity. Uh, Individual variability, microbiome composition varies by genetic, diet, lifestyle, and geography, leading to inconsistent treatment outcome. Limited clinical evidences, like most microbiome-based therapy, probiotics, still lack large-scale long-term human trial, and safety and standardization issues. Regulatory guidelines and safety protocols for FMT and provide use are still evolving. So these are regulatory guidelines also required. Some limited clinical evidence is also there. Individual variability is there. All are want to take their treatment easily and fast manner based on various treatment. Uh, and complexity of the microbiome. These are the various challenges in future direction in the study of microbiome. And with the future direction is develop personalized and data-driven intervention using microbiome profiling. We can develop it and integrate multi-omics technology, genomics, metabolomics, proteomics to understand host microbiome interaction. What are the microbiome interaction? We can understand it by integrate multiomics and promote precision nutrition and microbiome informed therapeutic to combat obesity effectively. And this is the conclusion of my study, that gut microbiome plays a crucial and dynamic role in regulating metabolism, energy balance, and all. Gut microbiome has a have dynamic role in metabolism, energy balance, overall health, obesity, weight gain, and growing evidence shows that microbial composition influences nutrient absorption, fat storage, inflammation, all key factors in the development of obesity. These are the fat storage, inflammation, nutrient absorption. These are the various role have development of obesity. By understanding and modulating the gut microbiota through diet, probiotics, prebiotics, and other microbiome-based therapy, we can open new avenue or new era for effective weight management and metabolic health improvement. While challenges remain in translating research into personalized treatment, the integration of microbiome science with nutrition and medicine offers promising potential for combating obesity or new invention in by targeting this microbiome. Researcher can find out the best result, and holistic approach that nurtured a diverse and balanced gut microbiome may ultimately be the key to sustainable weight control and better metabolic outcome. Though this is the nature we provide at gut microbiome, we have to maintain this for our health. This is the my message. This is the references. Okay, thank you so much.